what's up YouTube? I'm back with another video. In today's video, I'm finna be heading to Clean Culture. Now, Clean Culture is this meet. It's a huge meet. They having it at Chicagoland Raceway. Adam LZ is gonna be there, so I'm gonna be able to see him live in person, which is gonna be pretty cool. Overall, this is a new experience for me. I've never been to a racetrack, so I'm pretty excited, and I want to bring you guys along with me. So let's hit the road.
Wake up.
Alright, so I'm back in the car. I decided to take a little break. I've been walking around for a few hours, just looking at everything, taking everything in. And so far, like, this is a different experience, like, you know, being around, like, all the people who basically care about, like, the same stuff you care about, and seeing all the cars, and seeing it drifting, like, in person. Something definitely to take in, process everything, and at the same time, you know, capture everything on camera. And one thing I will say is coming here it definitely confirmed that I do want to drift. I'd rather do it than watch it. You know, those guys out there are looking like they having so much fun, and how competitive I know I am. You know, I feel like I can drift better than all them guys. So Yeah, drift car coming soon. I'm just gonna say that, but I'm gonna take a little break. Maybe next time Clean Coach will come out here, maybe I'll be entered with my own drift car. You never know. That's speaking into existence, though. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap up my Clean Culture video right there. I'm back home, and as y'all seen, put my little train handle on my 1993 Prelude. If y'all not familiar with this car, this is my project car. I'm gonna boost it and make it fast as hell. Prior to Fast Prelude in Chicago, which is what I'm shooting for. And my cherry that I took was my 2018 Kia Stinger GT2 twin turbo. I'm just letting you guys know in case I got any new viewers that are interested in, you know, my little collection right here. Overall, it was a pretty good time. It's definitely something different for me. I didn't get to meet Adam LZ because it was just too many people. It was a long line, and I definitely didn't feel like waiting in that line. I know he said something about stop driving at like 9 o'clock and he was gonna stay and meet everybody, but I ended up leaving around like 8:40. So I'm like, it is what it is. In those clips, when I was inside the gate was actually open and people was just going in and out, and I'm like, all right, I guess I'll do the same thing. So that's how I got up and close with LZ and Sean's car. Pretty cool to see some proper drift cars. Definitely got me wanting to drift. One day I'm gonna make it happen and I'm gonna be out there with them boys shredding. But I appreciate y'all watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. All my social media will be in the description below, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace out.